Kentucky tea. If every tea was like this, I'd probably drink more of it. Welcome back to Cocktail Vlog, ladies and gents. My name is Johnny, this is Simple Drinks. Today we're making a Kentucky tea. One simple cocktail, real easy to make, only 5 ingredients. And without further ado, let's make a Kentucky tea. If it's got Kentucky in its name, you know what it means. It means bourbon. 45 mils, 1.5 ounce. Next is Cointreau, 3/4 ounce, 22.5 mils. Followed by lime juice, 22.5 mils, 3/4 ounce. And simple syrup, rich 2-to-1, 10 mils, 31 ounce. Now add ice into your shaker. And shake the cocktail for 10 to 12 seconds. Beautiful. Now we need a highball glass. Fill it with ice. And strain the cocktail over fresh ice. Top up with ginger ale. And garnish with a lime wheel. That's it, ladies and gents, Kentucky tea. Cheers! Ah, amazing. Bourbon and ginger ale with citrus, it always ends up well. Tasty, refreshing, fruity, has a little bit of that kick from ginger, bourbon. Perfect. Well, ladies and gents, that's it. We made a Kentucky tea. Real easy to make, refreshing drink, very tasty. Try to make it. Let me know in the comments below what you think. If you like the video, you know what to do. Hit that subscribe button. It means a lot. Make sure you follow the channel. New recipes every week. I'm sure you're going to find something interesting. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.